Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to play arcade games on Android. First, you'll need to understand the two main components, an emulator and game ROMs. An emulator is an application that mimics the original arcade hardware, allowing your Android device to run the games. ROMs are digital copies of the actual game cartridges or arcade boards. We'll guide you through finding and setting up these components to bring your favorite retro titles to life on your phone or tablet. It's a straightforward process that opens up a world of nostalgic gaming. To begin, you'll need to choose a suitable emulator. Head over to the Google Play Store and search for arcade emulators like MAME4Droid or RetroArch. These are excellent options, offering wide compatibility with many classic titles. Once your emulator is installed, the next step is to acquire game ROMs. It's crucial to find these from legal and reputable sources to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience. Always prioritize websites known for their integrity and comprehensive game libraries. With your emulator installed and ROMs downloaded, it's time to set things up. Transfer your ROM files to a designated folder on your Android device, usually specified within the emulator's settings. Open your emulator application, and it should automatically scan for games in that folder. Select your desired game from the list, and you're ready to play. Take a moment to customize the on-screen controls or connect a Bluetooth gamepad for an even better experience. To truly enhance your arcade experience, dive into your emulator's settings. Many offer options to improve graphics filters, adjust aspect ratios, or fine-tune audio for a more authentic feel. For optimal gameplay, consider investing in a good quality Bluetooth controller. It makes a significant difference compared to touch controls. Remember to check the description below for a link to some fantastic deals, including those durable darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty. Enjoy countless hours of retro gaming fun.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.